Yeah. That Chanel shit, I like that. Got your own ride, I like that. Got your mind right, I like that. In a fantasy world, I wife that. At the blue flame with 2 chains on, 8 rings on.
Welcome back to the dollhouse. If you are new, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. So as you can tell by the title of this video, today will be a hair review coming from VSHOW Hair. I received a 22-inch 150 density lace frontal straight wig, and it came in this box. The box just says VSHOW Human Hair Collections, and it gives their website. Upon opening the box, inside you will receive mink lashes. This is their 3D mink eyelashes. You will receive a wig cap. They sent me the tan one, so that is good, and you get 2 of those. And last but not least, you get a little stock card, and it just gives you hair care instructions, how to become a VSHOW star, and how you can get money back from your purchase. So here is the wig itself, straight out the box. It came in a hairnet. Like I said, the wig is 150 density, and so far this hair is super soft. Like, it's really silky. Everything about the hair just screams wonders. Like, it just is beautiful. Like, so much body, so much movement. The thickness of it is perfect. The wig did come as like the natural black that you get when you get your bundles. I usually go ahead and dye my wigs in bundles jet black. But here are the ends. If you decide to put her in a ponytail, you will have a nice thick pony. This is the ends of her. So far so good. I can run my fingers through her with no problem at all. Alrighty dolls, so here you see me taking my hot comb, and I am just going through the hair. Basically, I don't know, in my opinion, I don't think flat irons do that good of a job unless you have like a high price flat iron. So I decided to start using my hot comb, and my hot comb has literally done wonders. When I say bone straight, like, you guys can see for yourself, this hair is getting bone straight. I always like to go over the top and the front of my wig multiple times to make sure I have a flat install. So here is the wig completely silk pressed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to join the gang, and stay tuned for my next video.